Hey, if your company is in the market for a new business phone system and you're thinking about giving RingCentral a call, you'll definitely want to watch this video. In this video, I'm going to give you my detailed review on RingCentral and how they compare to the competition in 2026. I'm a broker for all the major business phone system vendors out there, so I quote RingCentral pretty much on a weekly basis, and I quote all their competitors as well. So I have a good idea of how they compare and what they've been up to in 2026. So watch this video and check it out. But first, before I get started, if you want a quote or a demo on RingCentral, don't call them directly. Reach out and contact me. If your company has 25 or more employees, that's my sweet spot. I specialize in medium to large size organizations with 25 or more employees, and I can definitely help you get a lot better pricing on RingCentral than if you call them directly. I'll also introduce you to the best rep to work with there. I'll get you a great demo on the solution. And if you'd like, I'll get you recommendations. I'll recommend other vendors that you should quote next to RingCentral side by side. So I'll give you some recommendations of other phone systems that compare very well next to RingCentral. So again, if you have 25 or more employees and you're wanting a demo or a quote on RingCentral or their competition, send me an email, give me a call, join the thousands of other companies who have used me to help their company make a lot better decision in a fraction of the time. More information on that at the end of the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any of my weekly videos that I put out. And go check out our website, aerocominc.com, where you can read reviews, write reviews on providers, filter providers by features, all kinds of great stuff. Go check that out today. Okay, RingCentral. What I like to do in these review videos, I like to start out right away with a couple things that I think you need to know that are just kind of even better than the review. So number one, a great fit for RingCentral is a company that makes a lot of calls or receives a lot of calls, either has like a decent sized sales organization that's inside making a lot of outbound calls, taking a lot of inbound calls, or you have a customer service department that's doing that. So sales or customer service organizations that are using the phone a lot, that's a good fit for RingCentral, and I'll tell you why as we go along. Okay, now some unique advantages RingCentral brings to the table, I always like to touch on this as well, is number one, their Teams integration. They integrate really well with Microsoft Teams. They're one of the best Teams integrations out there for business phone systems, and what I mean by that is the RingCentral app can be implanted right inside Teams on that left-hand sidebar. And when you click on it, in the main window of Teams is your RingCentral phone system. So your employees never have to leave Teams to use the RingCentral phone system. So great integration there. RingCentral also has fantastic AI. They just released a new product called Ace that's really built for sales teams and giving you all types of really great AI analytics. So that's another unique advantage for them. They also have a great contact center or call center software product with concurrent call pricing or concurrent agent pricing. They also have a large global footprint, and they can also do mass texting one-to-many. So if your company is sending out large text message blasts, RingCentral has been able to do that for a long time. Okay, well, in terms of my reviews, if you've watched any of my other videos, you might know this, but in case you haven't, what I like to do when I'm leaving or I'm giving you a review on a provider, I grade them on my 10-point scale. So I created these 10 items that to me are the most important when a company is evaluating a business phone system. And overall, this year, I give RingCentral an 8.1 out of 10. So not quite as good as last year, but still pretty good, and let me tell you why. Okay, for service quality and customer service, I give RingCentral a 9 out of 10. So that's a very good score. I know RingCentral had an outage, I think it was a year, maybe 2 years ago, but that was just an anomaly. That really never happens. RingCentral has a great reputation for service quality and customer service. So with that, I give them a 9 out of 10. So that being said, I couldn't give them a 10. They had that outage, so I give them a 9. Customer service, I actually give RingCentral a 5 out of 10. The reason why is I've had some customers call me recently complaining about RingCentral's customer service. So I'm not going to give them a 0 or a 1, but I give them a 5. So I think RingCentral might be working through a few growing pains because I have had a few calls saying the same thing from my customers, saying it was hard to get a hold of somebody, that it was taking them, a week or so to talk to a live person. Not all my RingCentral customers, so this again, not happening every single time with RingCentral, but enough to make me have a little bit of concern. So I give them this year, I give them a 5 out of 10. 5-year viability. Now this is RingCentral going to be around in 5 years? This is important because if you're going to sign up with a business phone system, the last thing you want is to sign up with a business phone system and then 1 year later they sell the company, the platform you're on gets grandfathered, there's no more R&D getting put into it, so it just sits in a stuck state for the next 5 years with no innovation going on. So you don't want that. So I always say like, hey, what's my opinion on, is this company going to be around for the next 5 years? Well, I give RingCentral a 10 out of 10 on that. RingCentral has been the market leader for a long time. They are one of the largest business phone system service providers out there. They have, if not the most customers on the platform, close to the most amount of customers on the platform. So the big guy is not going anywhere. They're going to be around for 5 years. In terms of features, I give RingCentral a 9 out of 10. They have a ton of great features. They're doing a lot with AI. So they've got that new ACE product that I mentioned earlier, where it adds a lot of AI analytics to sales teams. They're doing a fantastic job with that. They've got mass texting, so you can send one-to-many text messages. So in case your company's doing any marketing through text message or text broadcast to existing customers, they have the ability to add that. They've got a lot of cool features. So I didn't give them a 10 out of 10 because there's always 1 or 2 features that maybe RingCentral doesn't have that others do, but they're really close to having just as many features as anybody else out there. So really strong on features, 9 out of 10. In terms of user experience, I give RingCentral a 7 out of 10. The actual platform itself is very user-friendly. It's easy for users to navigate. It's not complex or anything. But the reason I give them a 7 out of 10 is just honestly because they're not Zoom or Teams. And Zoom or Teams is the preferred provider right now, let's face it, for conferencing and instant messaging. Teams is probably number 1 for conferencing and instant messaging. Zoom is kind of a distant second, but I still run into some companies who use Zoom consistently for conferencing at least. Well, RingCentral isn't one of those, so if you use RingCentral, chances are you're going to be using a different conferencing platform or instant messaging platform. Chances are you're not going to be using RingCentral for conferencing and instant messaging, especially if you're a medium to large size organization. So for that reason alone, on user friendliness, I give them a 7 out of 10. For the admin experience, I give RingCentral a 6 out of 10. Very simple to use on the admin experience, very easy to add or remove users. But again, because I've had a few customer complaints when it comes to the administrative side, when they're calling and trying to get customer service and a little bit of that, I knocked some points off there. So they're getting a 6 out of 10 rating for me on that one. For pricing, I give RingCentral a 7 out of 10. For the licensing price, I feel like RingCentral is very competitive for the licensing. What makes them a little bit pricey sometimes is their additional features. They charge for a cost recovery fee and an E911 fee for every single user, which adds up to an additional $5 per month per user for every one of your users. So right out of the gate, they're $5 more expensive than some of the other options out there. Now this isn't just RingCentral who does this. Most cloud phone system service providers out there charge the same additional fees, the same pricing on the additional fees. So RingCentral's not alone on this, but overall for RingCentral, I did knock that off a little bit of their score, so 7 out of 10. For global availability, I have to give RingCentral a 10 out of 10. They've got a great global network. They pretty much touch every country that any other cloud phone system out there can touch. For integration, I give RingCentral a 9 out of 10. They've got an open API, which is that's table stakes for having good integration capability, but they also have pre-built integration with all the major CRMs out there and ERP systems. Not all of them, but I'd say a lot of them, like Salesforce, HubSpot, NetSuite, all of those. They do a really good job having these pre-built apps that they've got integrated with, pre-built integration, so you don't have to pay for a programmer to build a custom integration for you if you're using one of the major CRMs or ERP systems out there. They also have a fantastic Teams integration. They don't have a great Teams integration for contact center, so that knocks them down a little bit. And they don't have a presence sync for Teams with contact center at this point. So overall, pretty good integration though, so 9 out of 10. In terms of hardware, I give RingCentral a 9 out of 10. Now, RingCentral will tell you that they're not a hardware provider. They don't want to be in the hardware business, so it's not a big deal if you use them to purchase desk phones and headsets or not, but they're very compatible with the major desk phones out there like Polycom phones and Yealink phones. They don't have anything proprietary. They're not putting firmware on it that you can't get off of it, so that's great. And also, if you do buy hardware from RingCentral, I have seen them do some pretty aggressive promotions where they'll give customers heavy discounts on the desk phones as an incentive to purchase their service. So overall, pretty good score for them on that. So that's that. 8.1 overall for RingCentral. Again, a pretty good score overall. I think they're doing a good job. Maybe a little bit down from last year because of those customer complaints that I've had, but I have a feeling they're going to bounce back. I think those are some things that they're probably working on. They're probably hearing that as well. And RingCentral's been around very long, does a really good job. So I think they're going to bounce back from that. Again, if you'd like a quote or demo from RingCentral, don't contact them directly. Send me an email, give me a call. I'd love to help you on that. I will get you better pricing on RingCentral than if you're going to call them than if you call them directly. It's the reason why I do these videos. I've been a broker for all the major business phone systems out there for over 20 years. So join the thousands of other companies who have used me over the years to help them make a lot better decision in a fraction of the time. If you contact me, here's what's going to happen. I'm going to ask you some questions about your company's requirements. I'm going to introduce you to the best reps to work with at RingCentral, and probably also maybe a couple competitors of RingCentral that I think would also be good for you to look at. I'll oversee the demo process. I'll get you a great demo on the solutions. I'll oversee the quoting process to make sure your company gets fantastic quotes. And overall, I won't charge you anything for my services. The only thing is my specialty is really 25 employees on the phone system or more. So if you're less than that, I'm not really a good fit for you because my specialty is really mid to large size companies. So maybe 25 employees up to maybe around 5,000 employees or maybe a little bit more. That's my sweet spot. So if that fits you, absolutely send me an email, give me a call. It won't cost you anything to use me. RingCentral and all the other competitors pay my company our broker fee. So your company doesn't have to pay me anything to get my recommendation. So there's no excuse not to at least reach out and get my opinion on this stuff if you have 25 or more users. All right, so do that today. Send me an email, give me a call. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any of my future weekly videos that I put out. And as always, go check out our website, aerocomminc.com. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.